Yes guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're gonna solve the mysterious answer about how to change your username to red or another color in Stumble Guys. So a lot of people asking how to change the name in red in Stumble Guys. Well guys, I have two different methods, and then I'm gonna reveal an mysterious answer to you about the username color in Stumble Guys. So stick with me to the end and we solve this mysterious answer together. And first we go change our name in color. Let's go. Well, we type in this sign, we type in color, and we type in equals, and we type in, for example, red, and we close it. Oh, not with the question sign, but not with the percentage. We close it up like this, and then we hit the a little bit space, and we type in my username, and my username is like BR23. Just for the example, I use different usernames, so this is not really my username, but for this video we're gonna enter this one, and you see, here we go, my username is in red. Wow. We tap on free, and my name is too long or too short. Name must be 4 to 12 characters long. Well, my username was 4 characters long, but this doesn't work. Well, let me try another method, and let me tell you the truth about these methods. We type in the same sign, we type in an hashtag, let's go, and we type in the color of the code of the color. So this one is F00, and we close it up again with the same sign like this. Pause the video if you don't get this that quick. And here we have the code for red, and of course we type in here again BR23, and we are done. And again, the username is red. So YouTubers, they say, wow, great, you see, I changed my username to red. But guys, I tap on free again, and the username is already taken. Well, now I can say like this, I think nobody got this username. It's free, but it's also an error again. So the really truth is, you can't change your name to a color, guys. The only thing, and the only one who can change a name to a color is famous YouTube people who have a lot of subscribers and staff and partners from Stumble Guys. So if you think this was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for this video, because then we can share the video to many people as possible, because everyone is searching how to change their name in a color. But if you aren't a famous YouTuber, guys, or if you aren't a partner of Stumble Guys, it's impossible. Yes, let's solve this mystery together and share it with other people. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.